This is Turfed Out, where the leaders in artificial turf, installation, and innovation come to talk strategy, scale, and success. No fluff, no shortcuts, just results. Welcome to Turfed Out.
Most people think artificial turf causes drainage problems, but the truth is it actually drains better than natural grass if it's installed correctly, and in North Texas, our clay soil, that's everything. Hey guys, Nick with Luxe Blades and the author of Installing and Understanding Artificial Turf. I've been installing artificial turf for over 20 years, and one of the biggest mistakes I see is people thinking that turf is the problem when it's actually probably the installation. So let's talk about what we're dealing with here in North Texas. We've got heavy clay soil. That means water doesn't drain well, it expands and contracts, it turns into mud fast, and it holds water on the surface. So when you get a heavy rain, your yard turns into a swamp basically. So a lot of cities, HOAs, and even homeowners think artificial turf makes drainage worse. That's just not true. Natural grass actually slows water down because roots compact over time, soil gets dense, and water just sits there. So, the solution is a proper turf installation. The key is how the turf is installed, and here's what a proper install looks like. First, you've got the excavation. We remove the existing soil, especially that first good hard clay layer. Then we're going to do a base prep. We're going to bring in a permeable base like a crushed rock, decomposed granite, crushed concrete, and then we're going to compact that. Not over compacted, but firm enough for stability while allowing water to pass through. We do it about a 90% compaction rate. Then your grading and slope. This is huge. We create proper slope so water actually moves away from your home or property. Now, the turf backing and infill. Modern turfs drain at over 1,000 inches per hour. So let's break this down. Natural grass, poor drainage in clay, mud, rut, standing water requires watering, compacts over time. Turf, fast drainage, no mud, no standing water, and a consistent surface year round. Now, here's the truth. If someone skips steps, doesn't prep the base right, or installs turf directly over clay, yeah, you're going to have problems. That's where turf gets a bad name. We've installed turf all over North Texas, Celina, Frisco, Prosper, and one of the biggest reasons people switch is because they're tired of the drainage issues. So if you're dealing with a muddy yard, drainage problems, or just tired of fighting your lawn, turf might actually be the solution, but only if it's done right. Reach out to us at Luxe Blades and we'll show you exactly how to fix your yard the right way. And guys, drop a comment below if you've got drainage issues or questions about your yard, and I'll help you out. And if you want a copy of this book, Installing and Understanding Artificial Turf, let me know. I'll be more than happy to send one to you. So, if you want more tips on artificial turf maintenance and installation, make sure to follow. We're putting out a lot more content like this. Thanks, everyone.
That's it for today's episode of Turfed Out. If you got value from this, make sure to subscribe, share, and stay ahead of the game. For the best tools, products, and education in artificial turf, visit Turf Product Solutions. We'll see you next time on Turfed Out.